Hey guys! In today's video, I'll show you how you can treat a refund in Xero, so let's get started. When you receive a refund from a supplier or issue one to a customer, it's important to properly record it in Xero. Here's how you can handle refunds in Xero. First, log into your Xero account and go to the bank accounts page. Find the refund transaction in your bank feed or import the statement if necessary. Once you locate the refund, click on it to open the details. If you're reconciling it directly, Xero will try to match the refund to an existing bill or payment. If it's a refund from a supplier, select Find and Match to match the refund with the relevant bill. If Xero doesn't automatically find a match, you can create a bill to record the refund. Select the Contact the supplier, enter the refund amount, and choose the relevant account to categorize it. Once you've confirmed everything, click Save or Approve. If it's a customer refund, go to Sales, then go to Credit Notes and create a credit note to apply the refund against the original invoice. You can apply the credit to future payments or issue a refund to the customer. Once you've reconciled the refund in your bank feed or matched it to a bill, click OK to finalize the transaction. Now you've successfully treated a refund in Xero. Properly handling refunds ensures your financial records stay accurate. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe.